So hey guys, again welcome back. This is me Pranay and you're watching Technomaster. So guys, again we are back with the another unique device, and this is called Snexian Bold X1, and this is a very unique kind of device because it is having iPhone-like design from rear, and front you can see the image. We have this unique sort of keyboard in this device, and so today in this video guys we are going to look at this device. We'll unbox this device and look at its features, and I will tell you in last I will tell you whether this device is worth buying or not. So guys, please be in this video till the last, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then hit the subscribe button, press the bell notification icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video in this channel. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's quickly get straight into the video. So here you can see the box. We have Snexian brand logo and Bolt X1, and you can see the device image. We have this unique kind of keyboard, and in the back you can see we have device rear image, and you can see we have iPhone like design. And from the specifications point of view, you can see we have got 2-inch QVG display, we have camera, MP3 MP4 support, and we have lithium battery, dual SIM dual standby, and we have this Bluetooth dialer, and this is really useful I can say. And let me just open this box, and this is already open box, so let me just take the device out. So here you go, and as you can see we have this in the box we have this cable. This is type C cable. This means device is type C supported, and we have this knot, and apart from that we have nothing. We don't have any power adapter, and we have this device as you can see. And so let me just take this device out, and let me just keep this side. So guys, at first I can say by holding this device I can definitely feel that I am holding some premium thing in my hand. And as you can see at the rear you can see we have this iPhone like design 3 camera setup, but it is a single camera, and the two are the dummies. And again this is very shiny and glossy back, and looking very premium and very beautiful I can say. And in the front as you can see we have this unique kind of keyboard setup, and this is looking very good in this gold color. So let me just open this, remove this plastic. So as you can see, after removing the plastic, you can see this black and gold is looking very elegant and very good I can say. And design wise, full marks from me for this device. Very beautiful design and very unique design, and very handy. As you can see, you can hold this device easily. And in terms of a physical overview, in this side we have nothing, and this side again nothing. And at the bottom you can see charging port, type C port, mic, and 3.5 mm jack. And at the back we have camera, and at the top we have this LED torch, and good. And so let me just power this device on. Let me just adjust the brightness. You all are able to see the display. So here you can see, and we have this menu. And so let me just go to menu. So we have call center, contacts, messages, camera, media, Bluetooth dialer, calculator, tools, settings. These things we have in this device. And so let me just go to the tools. So we have calendar, music, games. So in the games we have F1 race, snake, and so let me just open this F1 race. Wow, very interesting game guys, for this device. And again I can say display is very good, and we have this very good form factor. And so, and apart from this, is speaker is also very loud, I can say. Guys, I have checked the Bluetooth dialer as well, and that is also working good. And overall guys, device is very unique. You can see this setup, this keyboard setup. This is a very unique setup. Price of this device is 1300 rupees, and for this I can say this is very handy and very good device. And because of the this unique device, unique design, and this form factor, I can say this is very good choice for the secondary device. And you can use this device for calls and etc. And you can also play some games for time pass. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and make sure that you like this video. Subscribe to this channel to get more such videos in the future. So thanks for watching.